Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you are new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Native iOS Shift UI XApp inside today we need to create here the add vehicle screens as well as vehicle document screens and subscriptions plans current to today we need to develop. First of all to see these designs inside the XD files, and these designs we need to convert into the our native iOS apps. Inside we need to convert Swift UI using the Swift UI. Need to create this UI. First of all we need to create this add vehicle screen, then after the vehicle document screens, and after we need to create here the subscriptions plans. We need to screens develop here. First of all, let's start how to write down here the add vehicle screens. First of all, we need to create here the new files here. Go inside the logins view and to create here the new files, and to set this here like shift UI by selects, and to create here the add vehicle dots. We need to create this here. First of all, we need to copy here the bank detail screens. Copy this here and to paste this here and to replace this codes with here. Now need to set here some text fields. Need to set this here. First of all, need to create here the txt service type. Then afterwards need to create here the another text fields brand. Then after model name. Afterwards need to create here the manufacturers. Scripts. Now need to create here the another two text fields. First of all, need to create here the number plate. Then after colors, like this sets. Now need to give this here the name add vehicle screen. Give this like titles. Now need to set this set here the service type. Now need to set here the titles. And to give this here the examples, we need to set this here the micro. Now afterwards need to create here the another text brand. Brackets inside need to set here the auto suggestions. Sets. Give this here the name BMW. Like this sets. Also need to change this here the binding property. Need to set here the brand name like this sets. Then afterwards need to create here the give this here the auto suggestion titles. Model inside need to give this here the examples. You see these models. Give this here the model name. This property. Then afterwards need to create here the another's manufacturer. And to give this here the auto suggestions. Now need to set this here the placeholders. Give this here the text fields name txt manufacturers like this sets here. Then afterwards need to this fields and another two text fields we need to develop sets. Give this here the titles txt. Then after txt colors, give this here color. Now need to get the now need to set here the number plate. give this here example 6 like this sets here. And now this is the creating adds vehicles, and to give this change these names need to set here the like this sets. And this is the add vehicle screens are the developing done. Now need to create here the another screens, need to develop create here the new files vehicle document view. Create here new screens. Now need to copy here the documents upload view, and now need to paste inside this our codes, and need to set here the one by one the value, set here the RC book, and after insurance policy after the ownership document, then after PUC like this sets here the documents. Now need to change this here vehicle documents like this, create these names, and to dislink this like UI, and now click on the next like this sets here this UI. And this is the vehicle documents UI are the developed done. Now need to create here the subscriptions plans UI screens, need to develop here. First of all need to create here the SwiftUI and to set here the subscriptions, and like this create these files. You need to copy here the add vehicle screen, and to paste this here these codes, remove all text fields no needs. Another the state property and sets here. I have already prepared this value here, and to copy and paste this here like this sets here the value. Now need to set these titles here subscription, like this sets here. Also need to remove this all things no needs now. Now need to create here the for each loop, contents ID. You need to set here, so give this here the on dot counts, need to like here give this self ID. Now need to set here context indexed sets get here the on object is equal to need to give this here the value on array index of value. Now need to create here the overview, which of course need to set this here the spacing, set this here 8 like this sets. Now need to create here the view, develop here the stack, and to set here the alignment, set here the leadings. Also need to set here the spacing, need to set here the 8 like this sets. Now need to create here the text, with this here the p object, with this here property of this value. Now need to set here the font, custom font, set here the regulars, That is 80, like this sets here the 18s. Now need to set here the foreground colors. Primary text colors need to like this sets here. Also need to set this here the RAM X like this. Give this here the D. Also need to set here the limits leading, need to set this here. Sets here. Now need to crop it. Now need to set here the time. Need to set here the 15. Secondary text need to set here the text property like this sets here. Also need to create here the another text and give this here the red, and to set this here it change font we need to set. Also need to create here the cache right. Then after we need to create here kilometers like this, create years. Also need to create here the button, set years, give this here actions, copy these text fields, set here the 16s, and to set this here the bold, set here the primary, so need to this here. Also need to change this here the titles price like this, set here the titles, and to set here the end of trading. Railings now like this, sets here the titles like this sets. Also need to set here heading, give this here the 50, and after need to set here the background, give this here the rectangle, round, radius. Need to set here by set here the fill colors. Also need to give this here the shadow. Need to give this here the like this sets. Also need to give this here padding vertical. Here that's here. Now need to give this here button name past here like sets here, remove this here like this, and this UI articulate. Also need the bottom padding. Need to set this here the 15 like set. Now these UI screens are the developing done, and to call this one by one screens inside the, first of all need to go inside the documentation to create here navigation link, and to create here the add vehicle. Set here. Then after add vehicles inside we to create here the documented screen. Document look like this creates and documents inside the screen. Now need to set this here the subscriptions plan screens like this. Give this here. Now need to test this here the sign up flow. Go here. Now I am waiting for the loading this UI. Click on register, click on next. This is the personal document screen. Then after the add vehicle screen, then after to call here the vehicle documentation screen, and then after subscription plan screen to develop done, and this sign up flow are the done. Next video inside me to continue here the home screen flow need to designs. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.